Use SmartBurner polish to help restore burner plates to their original appearance. Whether your SmartBurners have faded with time or with heavy use, or are even stained and spotted with surface rust, keep in mind that this does not impact their performance. But if a restored look is important, this can be accomplished quickly and easily with SmartBurner polish. First, be sure that the SmartBurner plate has been pre-cleaned following our cleaning instructions. Next, turn the stove dial to the medium-low setting and wait for about 30 seconds. Then, apply a thin layer of polish to the top of the SmartBurner plate using the cloth applicator or paper towel. The heat from the plate will help the polish to go on smoothly and even glisten slightly. Now, turn the stove dial to a medium-high setting for about 5 minutes. This helps the polish to bake into the plate. During this stage, smoke will be visible. This is normal. Do not worry. After the smoke is completely gone, turn the stove dial off and let the SmartBurner plate cool. Once the plate is cool enough to touch, wipe the plate using a soft cloth or paper towel to remove any excess residue. This procedure can be completed regularly based on cooking activity and use, or as required. Protect your property today.